today we are at the Ruhens Manufacturing Factory in Korea. They have been manufacturing water and air purifiers since 1991, and today they are actually one of the largest manufacturers in Korea.
So what are you waiting for? Let's go check out their factory now.
Let's go! Before we enter the factory, it is essential to gear up to ensure top standards of hygiene and to prevent any contamination during the manufacturing process.
Here's one of the production line where water purifiers are made from scratch. From installing all the motors, heating plate, cooling module, to assembling the casing.
After installing and assembling most of the items, the water purifiers are brought into this enclosed room to test for electricity efficiency or any air leaks to ensure top standards of production and quality. After many rounds of strict testing, the water purifiers finally reached their last stage of production, which is the boxing up for them to be ready to be shipped out.
Before any water purifier parts are sent to the production line, they go to strict quality checks. Here we are at the leak test room to ensure that there are no leakages from any of the parts.
Carbon and nanofect filters are the most commonly used filters for Ruhens, and they are made from Kurari, Japan and KX Technologies, USA. Ruhens constantly innovates and develops water purifiers with the latest technology, bringing clean drinking water for everyone at great convenience.
We have now come to the end of the factory tour, and we hope you have enjoyed this tour with us. Cheers to having more purified water,
Where we can all meet the taste of pure.